A day life living in the Philippines as a young professional teacher. Today is April Fools pero hindi April Fools sa school kasi first day ng research presentation namin. As you can see, nagpe-present dito yung mga estudyante namin and they are presenting their title proposal sa kanilang practical research 1. So pakinggan ninyo yung clips kung paano sila mag-present.
You will connect them, the button and the indicator board with wires.
At this point, medyo na-nosebleed na nga ako dahil first presenters pa lang to at mga Inglesero at Inglesera na kaagad. Napasabak ata kami dito nila Miss Bell at Miss Kim as the panelists for this group.
Under that, there will be a light in which...
And this is Miss Bell at nagbibigay na nga siya ng kanyang mga recommendations and insights about sa first presenters natin.
Yung magkaroon ng ng electric wires sa per classroom.
And this is Sir Sunny. Ayan, nagbibigay naman siya ng kanyang insights as their PR1 instructor.
So ako approve ako dito.
At syempre, bat-in tayo kahit konting suggestions lang kasi mga teachers tayo and ang attack lang natin dito pag ganitong mga strand ay about methodology at kung paano nila ikakandak yung kanilang research. And naririnig nyo naman si Miss Kim, alumni din yan ng school, STI College Global City at graduate ng TUP Taguig.
May
software.
Hardware talaga, tapos sa clinic, may ganun din na bawat...
At this point, medyo nabigay ko na lahat ng recommendations ko, kaya okay na ako, approve na ako dun sa kanilang first title presentation. Congrats, group number 1.
Jeremiah Isiladan.
At syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang group number 2. Ayan, pakinggan naman natin ang presentation nito na group number 2 headed by Neil Benavides. At nandyan pa din si Miss Bell, si Miss Kim, Sir Sunny, at syempre ako as videographer. Ito, medyo mas madugo dahil napaka-fluent ng group number 2 sa English.
For success and growth within any academic institution of both students and teachers of STI College Global City. The 3 titles that we are going to propose to you today
applies tailored to the needs of these students here in STI. Gone are the days of settling for subpar supplies
but it also helps sustain funds and profits not only towards the school, but it also goes to sustain the vending machines products as well.
As ball pens and other supplies, like ball pens and rulers.
Syempre, comments na tayo and recommendations.
So this is the perspective.
Software designed or implemented into. So how that actually works is you press the button, choose which product you have in there, and if the software is correct, it will display on the LCD display. Once you know and confirm that it is the product you indeed want, you just press the confirm button, insert your money, and it will dispense, which you can collect in the item collection tray.
Can you provide us sample quotation about the costing of that items?
Of the items?
Yeah. Let's start from the machine down to the sensor to the switch.
As you've said, sir, pwede naman namin mag-start from scratch. Yung sinabi mo, sir, na recyclable materials.
So,
still on process pa rin siya, sir.
Prototype pa lang gagastos na, then creation of the machine for the exposition, another gastos.
Overall price of the prototype. So, can you estimate the overall price of the prototype in your own school?
In this way, any changes and announcements made in the mother clock is sent to all clock.
At dyan na nga nagtatapos ang group number 2 and congratulations sa na-approve na title sa inyong Practical Research 1. Ito naman ang presentation ng group number 3. Medyo hindi ako nakapag-video, nag-CR ako saglit. At ang group number 4, nag-ready na. Group nila Winmar, nila Nico, yan. For the boys, ang group na to dahil wala silang ka-member na babae. And I made it naman. Pakinggan natin yung mga clips while they are presenting.
Efficient ng
Medyo kabato nga dito si Winmar. Ayan, medyo natatawa pa siya. Kasama sila Nico. Ayan.
So the possible outcomes and benefits of our research product is that
Pero nagawa naman nila itong successful hanggang sa uli.
or whoever's number is in the system's register.
Na-amaze nga ako sa ano ba yan, nabubulol ako. Na-amaze nga ako dahil sa ganda ng mga presentations nila. Ganun din yung mga napag-isipan nilang mga innovations. Kasi dati or previous years, pag uma-attend kami sa ganitong mga research presentation ay medyo mahaba-habang oras ang inilalaan namin para mag-approve ng mga titles. At for this time, mabilis-bilis yung pag-approve kasi talagang well-prepared sila sa kanilang mga o sa mga pinaghahandaan nilang maging research. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol-bulol na ako. Pagod na.
Scan that.
And now presenting the final group of Mr. Lawrence. Ito na sila. So group number 5 to complete the sets of the presenters for today in communication technology strand. I-fast forward na nga natin konti dahil lahat naman ng groups for this day ay may approved title. And after nga ng presentation, nag-proceed na ako dito sa aking last class. Ito, mga culinary strands. And makukulit itong estudyante kong to kasi second to the last subject nila. Then, I let them do their rehearsal for the research presentation. Pero ayan nga yung ginawa nila. Nag-practice sila ng sayaw for their PE. Ayan.
Jake, ikaw naman, Jake.
Si Jake. Si Clark, alam na yan.
Clark.
So, ayan yung aking first day of April 2024. And I hope na
day in life na
kahit first time ko mag-first voice over. Sana supportahan ninyo yung ganito mga mini vlogs ko. Sana manood kayo hanggang dulo para may motivation tayo gumawa pa or mag-daily vlog pa ng mga ganitong mga content. Ang hirap pala ng ganitong content, ano? Kailangan madaldaan. Brian, isip kung anong sasabihin mo. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!
Oo. Dami yung energy, ah.